Hey Sherry Vans, Mike Sherry here, Brian's behind the camera, and if you're a viewer of our channel, you know we have a wide selection of mobility accessible vehicles, and we're really excited to show this new addition here at the dealership. This is a brand new product for us. It's a company we've worked with quite a bit in the past, VMI. They've now expanded their mobility vehicles into rear entry Chrysler Voyager minivans, and this is a really nice system. I've been going over it here a little bit today as it come in, and I'm really excited to point out the features for you. So if you're interested in a mobility vehicle, stay tuned. This is a must see. So let's talk about the rear entry mobility vehicle. Beautiful thing about this, what a lot of customers like, is you can park these anywhere. You don't need a particular handicap spot to park these to get in and out of the vehicle. You can even park it in your garage and get out through the rear, so you don't have to unload and then pull the car in the garage. It's just really adaptable, and a lot of our customers like it. Now this is an all manual system. Another thing a lot of customers like, there's really no moving parts that can go wrong or break, electronically moving parts. It's all manually done, so it's always going to work. And we've got a nice gentle grade to come up into the rear of the van. Notice how wide this ramp is. It's really the widest rear entry system I've ever seen. It's just over 36-inch wide on the ramp, and that carries all the way through. There's no obstructions here. There's no bottlenecks here where the ramp catches or anything. It's all engineered so you've got a nice wide channel inside the van. This is the long channel, so you can fit up to 2 wheelchairs inside this channel. The flooring inside the van is a diamond plate rubber type flooring, and they've done something different here. I was just talking to Brian about it, because this flooring doesn't move around. On other conversions we have done in the past, I see where this flooring moves around, so they've really secured it well. So what that means is, as you're coming in here with your maybe powered chair, you're not going to ball up all the flooring, which is nice. Comes with the tie downs for up to 2 spots here in the Q-Straight tie downs, and I've got a little demonstration here. Basically what they are, they're a securement device you put on all 4 corners of your wheelchair, and they're really easy to do. You can just do it right here with this red little switch here. Basically a very fancy ratchet strap. Coming back here, the rear passengers do have access to rear heat and air conditioning controls. And then also the other thing unique to this van, with rear entry, you have your 2 seats. I'm sitting in one in the second row here, and a lot of companies use the factory seat, which is a wider seat and more comfortable. That's a benefit of it. But the downfall here is this space here becomes tighter because it's a wider seat. They've used these jump seats here, VMI has, so it allows to maximize your space here, so the person sitting in this front spot can be a part of the second row, which I know is very important to a lot of people. So a little bit about the channel here. Let's see how the ramp itself works. This is something that really got both, I think Brian and I both giddy about. So one thing customers complain about, they're like, well, I don't know if I can bend down and lift it up and do that, even though the ramp's really light on all of them. But check this out. This has got 2 springs that assist in raising and lowering this up. I'm just gonna knock it up with my foot. You see that? And same thing on the way down. I can just literally just push it down, and down it goes. So how easy is that? You can't get any easier than that. I just barely kick it up with my foot, catch it with my hand, and there it is. And then as you come in, it has your 2 latches that keeps the ramp secure while you're going down the road, keeps it from rattling so bad. And then this Voyager is equipped with the electronic lowering tailgate. So you click the button twice on the keyless entry, or there's a button right inside the door here, and down it will go. So it's a nice, easy to use platform. Now let's talk a little bit about the minivan side. You've got all the safety features. You're going to have your backup camera, got your self-defrosting rear window. As we come around, the side doors both are power. Oh, I hit the wrong door. That's all right, we'll hit this one. So you can do it from the keyless entry. They're power doors, and you can come on in here and take a look at the seats. A nice vinyl wrap seat. Yep. And then also you've got a button in here if you want to use the power doors right there, or you can do it from your keyless entry. And the front of these vans is really all stock. So you've got your V6, the 3.6 liter powertrain. It looks great in that white color, blacked out grille here. So it's a very modern looking van, which should be. Now Speaking of this chassis, you'll see we have this listed as a pre-owned van, and it has 9 miles on it. You're thinking, well, how does that happen? Well, VMI, they only sell pre-owned vans. Now, they do fully warranty everything they do back there in the conversion side of it for 3-year, 36,000 miles. And then on the chassis side, there will be remainder of the factory warranty from Chrysler, which is pretty much all of it with only 9 miles. So that's what you might see there if you're questioning, well, why is it used? Well, VMI doesn't sell new vehicles. So if you see someone listing one as new, it's still actually going to be on your paperwork as used. So that's the story there. Also, something you can't see, which is really cool, they've got a custom stainless steel exhaust underneath this. And Brian and I were both looking at it, we were very impressed. A shop has done that very professionally, and it's a very quiet van too as a result. They have to alter that factory exhaust, and it looked like they did all the way through the bottom of the van for that rear entry channel back there. So we're going to go ahead and cut, and then we'll check out the interior up in the driver and the passenger seat. So stay tuned. Come on in and take a look at this interior. It's really nice. It's very comfortable to drive. The distance I sit up or down, it's just at a nice level getting in and out of this driver and passenger seat. Now the driver's seat is full power, and it has a 4-way power lumbar, so you can get the seat in the position you like for a nice comfortable drive. And then here on the steering wheel, and everything you touch is going to be a nice soft touch material. So where your elbows sit, where your hands are, everything's soft touch. So the steering wheel is leather wrapped, and it's also heated. And then both of these front seats have the heated option as well. So a lot of nice comfort features there. You got your automatic transmission control here, has the modern radio. This is all new for 2022. It's a 7-inch color radio. Your backup camera pops up on it when you put it in reverse. Also, it has your Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, all done wirelessly. I got it connected to my phone right now, and it's just all wirelessly, which you can pull up real-time navigation from that. You can pull up podcasts. You can pull up where the nearest gas station may be. All that right there at your fingertips. Now, from an audio standpoint, you do have Sirius XM radio in addition to your AM and FM radio, and so a lot of nice features there. And then if you like buttons and knobs for the radio and the heating and air conditioning, all can be controlled right here. Now, we showed you in the back where the back zone has their own controls back there. Well, maybe if no one's in the back or no one can get to those controls, you can still control it up front here, which makes it nice. Now, to plug in your phone to charge and things of that sort, you do have 2 USB ports up here and a nice slot or slots for phones and devices there. This pulls out for kind of a catch-all, and it has a change organizer in it. Plenty of beverage holders. You've got 4 total right here. And then I didn't show you the key earlier, but it does have lock, unlock, remote start, both power doors slide on the side, and the power lift gate in addition to your panic. So a lot going on there. It's a key with a push button ignition, which makes it nice. And all around, just a very, very nice van. It's got, of course, power windows, power mirrors, power locks, all that for your use too. So if you're interested in these vans, make sure you call in before you come in because chances are this might be sold. So make sure you either call in or go to our website for current inventory. Always, we're going to be carrying a wide selection of mobility vehicles. So just stay tuned and maybe subscribe to our channel, and you'll always see what's coming in fresh, which I know a lot of people appreciate that. So thanks for hanging with us. Let us know what you like about this van. We're always eager to hear your opinion. I showed you what I like, so let's hear it from you. Take care.